In a recent reality TV show, contestants face a shocking twist at dinner. Instead of gourmet cuisine, they're served instant noodles. "I didn't sign up to be a noodle chef," one contestant screams, flailing their arms like a drama queen. Suddenly, an AI-generated talking noodle jumps up exclaiming, "Eat me or lose." Chaos ensues as everyone debates what the perfect seasoning is. "Come on, it's all about the ketchup," another yells, tossing bottles like grenades. Just when tensions peak, the host reveals, "Congratulations, you just earned a lifetime supply of ramen." Cue confused cheers and one contestant fainting from shock. "This is the best worst experience ever," they declare as the camera zooms in on their expression of utter disbelief.